Mark, happy with the point today?
Yeah, probably happy overall. It's really tough place to come. A massive club in the Welsh Pyramid. We've come here joint points, which set it up really nicely. I thought we played a decent first half. Actually, I thought we played pretty well. And to come in 1-0 down here with the crowd, with everything that Llanelli are, after performing quite well, it was difficult, to get the boys to go out and perform second half. But I have to say, I thought we were brilliant second half, and I think probably a point's a fair result.
Lee, a draw today. From being in a winning position, is there frustration involved?
No, not at all. We've had a difficult couple of weeks with injuries and players unavailable, so I think a draw today was fair overall. I know we were 1-0 up, but I felt Trethomas were worthy of a draw.
In terms of the league, you're still equal on points at the top. Was it important that you just didn't lose today?
Yeah, of course, especially when they scored in the second half. And we had injured players coming off as well. We felt a bit depleted in that area, and we had to change shape, formation. But like I said, yeah, you're correct, sorry. We needed not to lose, and we got a point.
Dave, it was always going to be a tough one today, the top two clashing. Happy with how it went?
I think we started off really well. We're used to our fast starts. We did well, and then they came back into it. Disappointed to concede from a corner, being my man as well, and it doesn't happen very often, but unfortunately I'm on a big game. But second half we were brilliant, especially once we got the equaliser. It only looked like one team was going to go on to win it. So we're proud of the performance, but a little bit disappointed though we didn't quite get the 3 points.
Pa mor anodd oedd yma seddi, ac yn amlwg y dau eich yn gwynebu gilydd?
Game cystadleuol iawn, o'n i'n gwybod oedd yn mynd i fod yn game anodd, so o'n i'n barod amdani, ond ymladd am pob pêl, un o'r gemau fel na oedd.
Yeah, it's set up, isn't it? There's 8 games each, 24 points. Every game's tough. You can't look at the running and think we'll win there, we'll do that. Every game at this level is tough. Teams fighting relegation, and as I've always said in interviews in the past, this league's as strong as it's been for a long time. So there's no gimmies. You've got to prepare well, knuckle down, work hard, and put everything that you can into each game and see where it goes.
10 years since you won this league with Cymru. That was unexpected, as it would be if Trethomas did the same again. If Trethomas going to win it, what's going to be the key?
Well, there's no pressure on us. I'm probably the same as when I was at Canlyniad. No one expects you to go and win it, so you don't have that pressure. And maybe that is something that we don't carry with us. Llanelli are the favourites, I would say, and when everyone expects them to win it and to go up into the Welsh Prem. So that's something that that we can play on, go into every game, no fear, just go game at a time, and we go from there.